wasn't built in a day. It takes years of study and practical experience, a lot of guesswork, and right connections to build a successful e-commerce business. Kung mag-rely lang tayo sa Google and YouTube, chances are you'll feel overwhelmed, confused, and end up asking more questions. However, successful people don't just read and ask questions. They search for answers and implement solutions. Imagine if you miss this train of opportunity 1 year from now, you'll stay stuck, jumping job to job, still planning on starting an e-commerce business, but never really taking action. Continue to watch endless YouTube tutorials that don't really give you the entire picture and still be experimenting to techniques and strategies without really knowing what works and what doesn't. Continue to rely on Facebook ads, praying and hoping that it would one day magically work the way you hope it would be. And finally, give you that freedom you so desperately dream of, only to leave disappointed with rising costs and competition. This doesn't have to be the case. You can change the course of your future today and start hitting those money goals without having to wait years and go through all those twists and turns. With Profitable Google Ads Mastery course, you get a system that 100% applicable to any business. This is applicable to any business who desires to increase their sales and revenue using Google Ads as the world's most advanced advertising platform, filled with proven and tested strategies. The strategies in this course have been battle-tested in the most competitive spaces imaginable. Create, develop, and optimize your own profitable Google Ads campaign without pain of trial and errors. Rich with step-by-step video training. You'll be able to follow through everything at ease with hands-on videos. This will help fast-track your learning process and success. Each video lessons covers a single topics which guides you through every step of the Google Ads process and go to from nothing to running profitable campaigns. What includes in the Profitable Google Ads Mastery? Module 1, we have Introduction. Module 2, Setting up your Shopify store. Module 3, Payment Setup. Module 4, Shopify Apps. Module 5, Product Research. Module 6, Google Ads Basics. Module 7, Setup and Preparation. Module 8, Google Search Ads. Module 9, Google Display Ads. Module 10, Google Shopping Ads. And Module 11, Resources. Okay? Plus, you'll also get access to these exclusive bonuses when you sign up today. Bonus 1, we have 1-year course updates. Bonus 2, monthly live webinar. Bonus 3, private Facebook group and group chat. Bonus 4, private support. Bonus 5, 300 plus US e-commerce and dropshipping suppliers. Bonus 6, prepaid e-commerce theme. Bonus 7, checklist and templates. Bonus 8, Canva education account. And bonus 9, certificate of completion. Guys, use the link below to enroll the course. See you inside.